In today's tutorial, we are going to finish our medium pomegranate flower using various sizes and shades of our beautiful red stones. So first secure your lock at the exact point, and from here we will start placing our large beads. Make sure to alternate them just like that as you move along. Once you reach the end, don't cut your thread, we want to keep a seamless flow. Instead, loop back and continue contouring the stripes on the inside of the flower. As you work your way through, start filling in the spaces by adding your red stones. And to bring the whole piece together, we will finish the center of the flower with this larger statement stone. And just like that, our medium pomegranate flower is complete.